Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a toy review. So, you're probably saying, how is this a toy review if you already had these ponies in one of your videos? Well, I'm just showing you the size of how small these ponies are. Just look at how small they are. And the size of these ponies. Well, they don't all fit in this corner, but you get the point. So, yeah, you're probably saying, how is this a toy review if it's not in its original packing? Well, it was a present, so it's kind of like a toy review. It was bought probably at a flea market or something, but it still works. So, let's compare the size of this pony and this pony. The head doesn't turn as good, but got this pony. Look at the size of that. It's half as big as it. Like Celestia. Oh, they're doing the same position though. That's the funny part. So okay, let's compare them. She has blush. She doesn't. She has no sparkly stuff in her hair, but she does. She does not have sparkly horn. She does. She has the big flowy wings. She still has the little hoof, the yellow hoofy things. I forgot what they're called. And same colored tail and same cutie mark. Let's move this. Got the same cutie mark. All right, we'll see if she works later. Next time. Huh? Yep. Okay, so I don't have Nightmare Moon, but this is the Nightmare Moon I do have. So I have Princess Luna. She's not even half the size. They're not doing the same position. They do not have the same eye type, but they do almost have the same eye color. That's what counts. They do have horns. Not much same thing here. But they do have the same cutie mark. Yeah, just hers is a little bigger. And next up, we have Princess Cadance. I never used this one in a long time. I remember one time I had a Cadance before. It was a long time ago, and I broke her wings. So I got a new one. I haven't used this one in a long time. That's why her hair is like this. On my last videos that I never uploaded, I used her for a wacky tacky hair day. And yeah. And we have her. Why would she look like she's more of a Pinkie Pie? So they do not have the same eye style. She has blue and she has pink. Look, more bluish. Same horn. They don't have the same position, but that's okay. Same. Her skin tone is probably a little lighter, but that's okay. Same hair, same tail, same wings. Hers is kind of see-through. I can see you guys. Not really, but. And same cutie mark. So, let's start with Princess Celestia. Wait, what did she say? Extraordinary. She doesn't work. Alright. Next.
My star barrettes are fabulous.
She doesn't seem like she'd say something like that. That's weird. And we have Princess Cadance.
Hello, I'm Princess Cadance. Today's my wedding day.
No, it's not. Bye.
My dress is so pretty.
Well, let's see if Princess Celestia still works. Is there any like off or on button? She's broken. I'm sad now. Let's give her a little pat. It's her batteries. But at least we got 2 other ones. I'm gonna use her on one of the videos. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys.